Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome to Coder Station. In today's video, we are going to see what are the comparison operators, what is their uses and how to use them in Python. So let's get started. So comparison operators are used to compare two operators, that is it is used to compare two values. Now, there are different types of operators in Python. That is equal, double equal to, which is used to check whether the operator is equal to a second operator or not. For example, I take a value in A as 5 and B as 6, and we will print A equal to B. So, according to the input values that we have taken, it is not possible that A and B are equal. So let's check it. So on my screen you are able to see the output as false. Similarly, the second operator is not equal to. So not equal to operator is represented by an exclamatory mark and is equal to variable. So let's check it. According to condition, we know that they are not equal. Let's check by taking it in an operator. So A not equal to B, and we will get is true because A is not equal to B. Similarly, the third operator in the Python is greater than operator. So we will try to print as A greater than B. So A is less than B and we are expecting a false output over here, and we are getting a false output. Similarly, the less than operator shows whether the left operand is less than the right operand or not, and we are expecting a true value over here and we are getting a true condition. The third operator is greater than or equal to, in which if both are equal and we try to print greater than and equal to, then it will be true because they are equal. And if both are not equal, let's take A as 15, then it will then also print true because A is greater than B. Similarly, if A is 1 and we apply A is greater than equal to B condition over here, then it will print a false output because A is not greater than B, and in second case it is not also equal to B, therefore it is not greater than equal to B. Similarly, there is less than equal to B. Now in this case, the left side operand is less, therefore we will get the output as less than equal to as true because A is less than B and it is not equal. So first condition satisfied that it is less than B, therefore it says that it is true. I hope you have understood the comparison operators in Python. For any kind of questions or any kind of I hope you have understood the comparison operators in Python. For any kind of queries, please post your questions in the comment box and I will try to make a video based on your questions. These are very simple operators and we have been doing it in our mathematics from class 3 4. So it is basically very simple to apply and implement. Just for your reference, you can go on W3 schools, so you can see a lively presentation of how it is possible or how to use them if you have not getting it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked the video. Stay tuned for our next video.